How to use COUNTIF in Excel. Hello everybody. In this video, let's go step by step on how to do so. It is used to count cells that meet a specific condition. So let's just dive right in with the video. So for that, we can directly use the COUNTIF formula here. We have a bunch of formula available for that. So let's just go over and get started. So if you want to count, let's say this is the data available. If you want to count the present students, what you can do is you can just go to the cell, type in is equal to one of the cells where you want to answer. You want the COUNTIF value. After that, type in COUNTIF, and you can select a bracket, COUNTIF bracket, and then select up data. For example, let's say this to this data. After that, you can type in comma, and you can type in present or absent. So if you want to find present students, you can type in present and close up the cell and hit enter, and it will show you the value that you're looking for. If you want similarly absent students, you can type in COUNTIF and select up the data again from present to absent, all the data available. After that, type in comma, and then again type in absent in double quote and close the bracket, hit enter, and it will show you the value. And if you want to count students who scored above 60, what you can do is you can select up the data. For example, let's say this is one. So you can type in is equal to and COUNTIF and close it up and select up the data like this from marks and type in comma. After that, inside double quote, you can type in this sign and is equals to 60 and close it up and close up your bracket as well and hit enter, and it will show you the value that you're looking for. And if you want to count students who failed, let's say, what you can do is you can type in is equal to, again, COUNTIF, and close the bracket and select up the cell, and then you can type in comma and the double quote, and inside there you can type in the smaller or greater than sign, and then close the double quote and close your bracket and hit enter. We can just go over and enter the formula, and we can count how many students are present or anything else. See how many students are present. So you can just go over and select the column and type in the condition, and it will give you the value that you're looking for, and that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow this process to go ahead and use the COUNTIF on your Excel. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.